The DuPont StoneTech Oil Stain Remover is designed to pull out deep stains from natural stone and other surfaces without discoloring or leaving any residue. This demonstration will test the product on marble and granite. 1 teaspoon of olive oil has been applied to each of the samples and left to sit overnight. The samples used have not been treated with any sealing agent in order to better illustrate the stain remover's effectiveness on the worst possible stains. This demonstration does not reflect the performance of properly sealed stone surfaces. Before applying the stain remover, remove any excess oil from the surface and clean that surface with a basic natural stone cleaner. Working in a well-ventilated area, thoroughly mix the contents of the container with a wooden or plastic spatula to create a paste. Apply the stain remover in a layer approximately 1/4 of an inch in thickness. Apply enough stain remover to cover past the edges of the stain. Once the stain has been completely covered, let the treated area sit for at least 48 hours or until completely dry. Moisture from the stain remover will seep into the stone during the drying process. This is natural and will not affect the stain removal process. The stain remover will dry into a hardened clay-like consistency. Once the stain remover has completely dried, use a flat razor blade to scrape off the dried material. Make sure to hold the edge of the blade flat to the stone to avoid scratching softer stone surfaces, such as marble. Now that the stain has been completely removed, clean the surface with a natural stone cleaner and seal the treated area with an impregnating sealer. The DuPont StoneTech Oil Stain Remover comes in 3-ounce cans, which cover 15 to 30 square inches of surface at 1/4 of an inch in thickness. Available now on MrStone.com.